Hello guys, welcome you all in our YouTube channel. So our topic today is what is mathematical operator in JavaScript. So you guys, if you have learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in your 4 or 5th standard, then you know about what is mathematical operation here. So what you have learned in 4th or 5th standard, how to calculate 2 plus 3 is 5 and how to division 2 by 2 is 1. So in JavaScript also the approach were same to solve every problem. So now we are going to write here in console area. You can see here we are in index.js file. So if we want to additions two number, you can see here that if we are going to write 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is what? 5. You can see here 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. And 4 multiplied by 2 is what? 8. So here you can see that the approach are same. All the approach here are same what we are solving in our mathematics classes. So now here if we are going to write console.log, open your small bracket and write here 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, and this will give you the output is, now you can see from here 2 plus 3 is what? 5. So our basic of mathematical operator is what? Now if we are going to write here what is mathematical operator. So we have now 4 type of basic of mathematical operator. First is additional, second is subtract, multiplication, and fifth is what? I have divisional operator. So we have now this, you can see here this all are basic of mathematical operator. You can see here this is all is mathematical operator, basic of mathematical operator. So how we are going to solve our question in JavaScript? So any question based on additional operator, any question based on subtractional operator. Now you can see here from console.log, and we are going to write here 2 plus 3 minus 1. So what will be the output here? Now from here you can see 2 plus 3 is what? 5. Oh, we have to write all this in comment now, and now we are going to, here you can see that 2 plus 3 is what? 5. A minus 1 is 4. Now you have, if you are going to see here, the output is 4, because you can also here assign your variable. You can also here assign your variable, just like I can say that let x is 2, let y is 3, and let z is 1. So if you are going to write here x plus y minus z, and this will also give me the output as 4. You can see from here our output is 4 here. Now if you want to don't write more thing in your console log area, means printing statement area, just write here let w is x plus y minus z. Now if you are going to write here what is w, now how our mathematical operator works, you can see from here. this will go upside and check where the variable w is assigned. You can see from here w is assigned as a variable, and what works w here. So this will go and check where is x, or what is the value of x. Now here you can see that 2. So here 2 is first time, and what is y? You can see here that y is 3, not 2 plus, because here you can see that mathematical operators are here plus, so 2 plus 3, and after that minus z. So where is z variable assigned? You can see from here that z is assigned as -1. So how our mathematical operator works here? You can see that 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 minus 1 is 4. You can, if you want to write this in meaningful, so you can write here that first of all I want to operate my additional operator. Okay guys, and now if you want to second time, so here you can see that first they will add this value and then they will subtract the z. So if you want to write anything in a mathematical operator, so you have to just remind Bodmas rule in your what you have learned in 6th or 7th standard. You guys, if you know that what is Bodmas, so here you can also apply this. So if you want to write here that 2 plus 3 divided by 5, so what will be the output here? You can see here that what will be the output. So this operator, this JavaScript, so processor, compiler, this will realize that. So first we have to, you can see here 2 plus 3 divided by 5. So how JavaScript work here, you can see from here. If we want to write this in console log area, you can see from here, if you are going to write this console.log 2 plus 3 divided by 5. So if we are going to write this is comment area, and this also in comment area, so comment out. So what will be the output here? You can see from here 2.6. What is the process of this? But we have to first add this 2 plus 3 and then divide it by 5. So here you can see that first this JavaScript what operate 3 divided by 5. What is the value of 3 divided by 5? Something 0.6. Now this will add this. So if you want to write this in proper way, you have to just follow Bodmas rule, and you have to write here 2 plus 3 by rule regulation. So we are going to write here 2 plus 3 and bracket close and divided by 5. Now if you are going to see the result, what will be the output? 1. Here you can see that the value is 1. So you have to write in proper way. So first of all, what you want to calculate. So first of all, if you want to calculate 2 plus 3, then you have to put 2 plus 3 in bracket, then divided by 5. This means here you can see that this is a Bodmas type of rule, and in JavaScript also there is a Bodmas type of rule. But by a user, by you a developer, you have to write there that what you should want to add here, what you want to subtract here. First of all, what value you want to calculate. So here you can see that first of all I want to calculate 2 plus 3. So I have put this 2 plus 3 in bracket, then divided by 5. Okay guys, now now you guys understand that what is additional operator, what is subtractional operator, and what is multiplication, and what is divisional operator. How you can write program in your JavaScript. First of all, what you want to assign, what you want to add. First of all, what you want to operate first. What do you want to operate first? So here you can see that I want to operate 2 plus 3 first time and then divided by 5. So I have write this program in this way. So if you want to, here you can see that if you want to write here, please give me the output of W. So here you can see that if we divide it by Z, now what will be the output? So first of all, you see here W is what? X plus Y. What is X? 2. And what is Z? Y? 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and then divided by 5, or 5 divided by 1 is what? 5. Now if you are going to run this, now you can see that our output is 5. Now in next lecture I want to tell you that some operators are rest, what is modulo operator, what is exponential operator. So in next lecture I am going to solve how to use exponential operator and how to use modulo operator. So after operator we are going to solve some expressions, some mathematical question in next lecture. Okay guys, now stay tuned here, and please like, share and subscribe our channel also. You are going to learn from basic level to very advanced level here. We have started our new channel in JavaScript, so please like, share and subscribe.